Hey babe, do you mind running down to the boulangerie and grab us a baguette because we're cooking bread? Alright, thanks babe. Love you.
A few moments later.
My spider sense is tingling.
Cherie, I'm back.
Great babe, let's grab a plate and put the... No! Oh, you can do that!
You fool! You've messed with the natural order!
And that ends our video for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
My spider sense is tingling. I'm being watched.